Alright, let's talk about air syncs. Air syncs are the next evolution after Pocket Wizards, when Profoto started making their own synchronization remotes. So these air syncs are very, very simple. We've got 8 channels, an on and off button, and a button to select whether the transceiver is in transmit or receive mode. Okay, obviously the transmitter will go onto the camera and the receiver will go onto the flash pack. On the sides you have separate input and outputs for mini jack. So the benefit of using this model of air sync is that you can use it with any brand of flash and any model of camera. I would say at this point in time, most Profoto users would have a flash that has the sync technology integrated into the product. In which case, a single transmitter would work with a modern flash like the B10X Plus or any older flash pack that has the Air logo. The air sync is very, very basic, so it will simply sync the flash. There are no advanced settings. A pro tip: if you're having issues with connectivity because of rapid shooting, hold down the mode button for 10 seconds. This will establish a linked connection which can help solve any problem with connectivity.